Are you ready for this X marks? Do not wait a week to go or 2 weeks to go. You start looking for stretch mark oil to get rid of stretch mark in 2 days. We know they say sharp product though, so it's better for you to start preparing for now. Earlier the better. No matter how tough the pimples is on your face, acne, redness, no matter how bad it is, with the help of this cleanser, you will get rid of them and get that glowing and spotless face in just 1 week. This is very active. This face cleanser helps a lot in treating pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, redness, name them. It's very active, and it also helps to whitening and moisturize your face and give you that glowing and spotless face. A lot of people will be commenting like, I love your face, what are you using? This is the cleanser I'm using, though I'm selling it as well. Okay, so if you don't have a cleanser that is working perfectly for you, just give this cleanser a try. It's very good. Hi guys, it's your daily game fresh beauty world. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. We drop video in this channel every day, and all we talk about is how you can get that spotless and glowing skin, okay, and affordable products you can mix together to achieve a spotless and glowing skin. This channel, you don't need to break your bank to glow, right? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can make a super effective half cast of face cleanser. Guys, this is very active. Name them. Did you have pimples? Did you have acne? Did you have an sunburn? Do you have hyperpigmentation, wrinkles? Name them. So just give this a try. It's very active, like super active. But this cleanser can only be used for people that is fair, not hot chocolate or caramel scale. Only if the person wants to use it just once in a while, maybe once in a week. Okay, this is very active to help to whitening your face and give you that spotless. It's not every time you'll be wearing makeup. Makeup contains a lot of chemicals, and you know, you start seeing the results, not now but future purpose. So that is why it's not good for you to apply makeup every day. Okay, so just use this cleanser to get rid of your face. So this one I want to do now is basically for someone, it's for my customer. Okay, that's why I'm not making it in large quantity. So this one is for my customer, and I'm also using from it. So it's very good. Okay, so watch this video to the end and know how I make this face cleanser. I'm going to be listing everything one after the other, so you will not ask questions, please and please. We have our baby face face cleanser. We're going to be using the cucumber, and if you're unable to get this, the best one is the lemon one, but I was unable to get it. Okay, so if you see the lemon one, is very good for treating pimples, acne, and hyperpigmentation. Okay, this one too helps a lot, but not to compare that lemon one. Okay, we're going to be using one. So of course you guys know that this Pindalo is very active face cleanser that helps a lot in treating your face, moisturizing and whitening your face. I talked about this face cleanser, how you can mix it with Skin Doctor face cream to get a spotless and glowing face. Okay, so just watch the video. Okay, so if you don't have the money to make it in a large quantity like this, you can just get the two together and use. And yeah, this one is very expensive because I got it 2,000 naira, and before it was 1,000 naira, 700 naira. So you can go ahead and use this. Please, if you want to make this face cleanser, if you just want to follow this recipe, make sure you are getting this brown one. Okay, this brown one is basically for treatment. Okay, while other colors like green and other colors are for whitening. Okay, so that's why I use this. It's very good, like very good in treating pimples and acne. Here we have our pigment dose of face cleanser. Guys, this cleanser is very good, like super good. If you want to treat your face, do you have dark spots, do you have eczema on your face, just try this face cleanser. Please just try this face cleanser. I'm begging you to try it because it's very active. Here we have our Skin Doctor face cleanser. Guys, this cleanser is very active. It's papaya natural. It's very active. Look at what they listed here. It helps to treat skin irritation, whitehead, blackhead, sunburns, dark spots, pimples, heat scratches, tone the skin and clear blemish, and also help to whitening the face. Guys, this is very very good. Some people react to weight, most especially sensitive skin people, so that's why I always say mix it together with something else. Okay, this cleanser is very very good in treating and whitening your face. Okay, so we're going to be using just one of this. I'm going to pour half of this. Okay, this is it. I put a half of this skin doctor face cleanser. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my pigmentos face cleanser. Okay, here I have my 75 ml. Okay, so I'm going to take this 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I added my pigmentos face serum 3. I added 3 of 7.5, sorry, 7.5 ml. Okay, so this is it. Then I'll go ahead and add my baby face cleanser. Guys, like I said, if you get the one that is lemon, it's very very good. It's more better. Okay, because I was unable to get the lemon one, that is why I use this. But the normal one I love using most is the lemon, because it's very 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 active. I'm going to add the same 7.5 ml. Okay, I'm going to add this seven times. Okay, 7. Okay, so this is it. I've added my face cleanser. Guys, this one I'm doing now is it's just 250 ml. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my Pin de Lo. Guys, if you want to get this face cleanser, please try as much as possible to get this brown one, not the color. Only if you want to whiten your skin alone, your face alone. Okay, this one I'm going to be adding just 4. Okay, 4. So guys, this is it. I have added my skin doctor half of it, and my pigmentos just 3 7.5 ml spoon, and I added my baby face 7 spoons, and I added my Pin de Lo 4 spoons. This face cleanser is very very like super active. If you're the type that your face does not adapt to any face cream, it will work. Before you know it, it will stop working. Just try this face cleanser. Okay, this face cleanser is very very active. It will help a lot to exfoliate your face, and also help to treat and whiten your face at the same time. So if you want to whiten up your face, that is why I said this is not for hot chocolate or caramel skin, because it's going to whiten the person's face, though it will help to treat the pimples as well. Okay, so if you want to whiten up your face and treat pimples, rashes, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, redness, guys, just give this face cleanser a try. Honestly, you're going to love it. It's super active, like very very active. It will help a lot in treating your face. So if you want to travel this Xmas and you are planning on how to buy makeup kits, so you'll be applying makeup always because of your face, just use that money you want to use to buy those things and buy this and try it out. Just a week, you will come back here thanking me, because it's very very active. It's like very very active. It works like magic. So guys, just give this face cleanser a try. This is how it looks like. You see it. And if you don't want to make it, if you cannot go into the stress, or you don't have money to go and buy this, like I said, this Pin de Lo is 2,000 naira, and others are selling 2,500, and this skin doctor is 2,000 naira. So if you don't have money to buy this and make it by yourself, you can buy from us. Okay, and if you're into skincare and the face cleanser is not working, instead it's giving people pimples and sunburn, just DM us, and we're going to make a perfect face cleanser that you will use to attract more customers. Very very active. Name the issues you are having on your face, this cleanser will get rid of them. 100% sure. I am very very sure, like 100% sure. So try this face cleanser and you're going to love it. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, just subscribe so that each time we drop a helpful video like this, you will be notified that we have dropped another video. And also don't forget to smash the like button and share with your friends. So guys, just go ahead and try this face cleanser. It's super like I say, super, not say it's very, I say super active. So see you in my next video. Okay, bye.